These are my valve seals. I've had them sitting in oil for a little while now because I've been trying to get to assembling the cylinder head. You want to leave them in some oil soaking for about a day, and then you can go ahead and throw everything together on the cylinder head. I'll be using this little tool right here. These have been soaking in oil. Place them down, line it up. Make sure they go on all the way. Looks good to me. All of our seals are in. So now we're gonna start doing valve grinding. Basically, it's getting these valves properly seated for your cylinder head so it makes a good seal. So the process of valve grinding, you have this valve grinding compound. You can put it either on the inside of this or on the valve. I normally put it on the valve, spread it all around, and put this suction cup thing on and go down. You'll notice after you valve grind, this side is shiny where we didn't. This side is a lot dull and stuff like that. But that's the compound actually doing its job. It's, you know, seating the valve for the engine. Finally got all of our springs and retainers in, valves, all that. So now we can assemble our rocker arm assembly and then our LMAs. And then we're gonna finish wrapping this cylinder head up. Alright guys, we are all assembled.
No, the other side looks, it's a soft plastic, this one. I don't have another. $52.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Guys, check this out. This thing looks so cool. I am super happy with how this came out. Brand new OEM covers. I got a blue Gates racing belt that you can't see, obviously, because covers are on. But I mean, this looks sick. I am super happy with how this looks. I gotta get spark plugs. Once I get some spark plugs, that we can throw the plugs in there and tidy up everything else. I also have the oil pan and the gasket, so we can get this engine pretty much fully assembled